To RP Guru Tech Talk. In this video, we'll discuss the impact of AI on software development, embracing the future.
As technology continues to evolve, the impact of artificial intelligence on software development is becoming increasingly evident. AI is transforming the way software is developed and deployed, making it faster, more efficient and more effective. Gone are the days when developers had to write every line of code manually. With AI, developers can now use machine learning to write complex algorithms, automate testing and even debug code. AI is also making it possible to develop software that can learn from user behavior and adapt accordingly. This means that software can now be more intuitive and user-friendly than ever before. But the impact of AI on software development goes beyond just the code. AI is also helping developers to manage the entire software development lifecycle, from project management to deployment. As the use of AI in software development continues to grow, developers need to keep pace with the changes and continuously learn new skills to stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, AI is transforming the world of software development and the possibilities are endless. With AI, developers can now build better software, faster and more efficiently than ever before. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.